Hey guys, welcome to our video. We are going to be taking apart our old roller coaster with this drill.
Yeah, we have a roller coaster in the backyard. We're just going to be taking it apart to build our next one.
Oh yeah. And we're going to teach you how to build the next one we make. So stay tuned.
So this is all the wood that we collected from the roller coaster. There's Josh's dog. And
we're going to use some of this wood for the next one, but a lot of it we're going to burn in a fire.
Yeah, so the roller coaster was from all the way back here and went all the way up this tree
to that piece of wood that's laying horizontal.
Yeah, above that ladder. So
Pretty high.
Yeah, we collected lots of screws right here. So
in this frisbee.
Make sure to stay tuned for our other videos, building of our next roller coaster, and maybe some more. Like we might make a video on our zip line right there, and our rope swing right there that Ryan's on. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.